What's up?
And I ran over a gummy bear the other day, and I got a flat tire. I got a flat tire, as you can see. It's flat. And we're going to show you how to switch it out today, so stay tuned! Alright, so first step on changing your tire is you got to take the pegs off if you have pegs. So if you're me, I like my pegs tight, so I need to use a screwdriver to take them off. So stick the screwdriver in the hole, then you can just go ahead and loosen it. Same with the other side. Other way, sorry. You can go ahead and throw the screwdriver away, and you can just, there we go. And what you're going to need next is either a socket or a wrench, a 15 mil meter, and make sure it's going left to loosen it. And then you just loosen up that nut like that. Same thing with the other side. Whoops. That'll probably happen, but you know. Then you can just take the wheel right off. Alright, so obviously the first step is to unscrew the valve cap. I think everybody knows how to do that. You just unscrew it. There we go. Once you get that off, you just need a little flathead screwdriver. Then you just want to stick it in here. Then you peel the tire back. You take the tire off. Dang it. You may need two, which honestly I think I need two. Never mind, I only need one. Alright, so now you just pull the tire off just like this. Set the rim aside, and the thing that is popped is the tube, so you want to pull this out. And then you can either patch it or just buy a new one. So since we break a lot of stuff, I have a different one, so I'm just going to grab a different one. So see you later. Alright, so next step, you're going to want to put some air in your tire, obviously. You don't want to ride it on flat. That's not very good. And you take the cap back off. And then you grab your little air hose or whatever you're using to pump up your tire. I'm using an air compressor. So then you start putting air in it. Alright, so I personally like my tires really hard, so I pumped it up to 80 psi. And the recommended pressure will normally be on your tire or your tube, because right here it says 40. It says 40 to 65 psi. That's the recommended pressure, but it I don't know. I don't like that pressure, so that's why I go a lot more than that. So you're just gonna want to put your tire back on when you're done with that. Tighten your nuts. Alright, once you got that done, you're going to want to grab your pegs if you have pegs.
If not, you're an idiot.
That's right. And then you're going to want to screw them on, just like before. You get them hand tight, and then if you're like me, you want them tight so they don't go off. Just get them snug with the screwdriver.
Not really tight though, so you can't get them off and break the screwdriver.
Yeah, because I've done that before. There's a screwdriver in the garbage right now as we speak. Alright, so now you're done.
Don't run over any gummy bears.
Nope.